Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I safely remove my Marley twist without any breakage or little to no breakage. I had the Marley twist in for 5 weeks. That's the most I'll ever leave them in. I will not go past 6 weeks at the most. Okay, the very first thing I do is take out all the hair jewelry that I have in my hair, and then I'll go on and take out the curly wavy hair. I'll use some scissors just to cut that off. After my little dance break, I'll go ahead and cut out the rest of the curly / wavy hair. And comment below if you heard Drake's album. And do you like it? Yes or no? Alright, after I take everything out of my twist, I go in with my Aussie Moist conditioner and a oil. Any oil of your choice is fine. And I put everything into a spray bottle with water as well. And I shake it up just to have like a mixture just to spray on my twist. And then I go ahead and split my twist in half. And then half of that half I will split in half as well. Alright, after I have a section of twist that I'm going to be working on first, I take my mixture and I spray it out all over the section. I don't get the section soaking wet, it's just damp to dry. And I go ahead and unravel the twist. You can cut the twist if you want to, but I just, unravel from the bottom. But the mixture helps soften up my hair a little, just so that Marley twist has an easier time to come out my hair, and so it won't be as much breakage at all. Also, do you guys like Jay-Z and Beyonce's joint album? I really have a couple of favorites on there. But after I take the twist out, I run my finger through the hair just to get some of the shed hair out a little bit, and I just twist it up. And I move on to the rest of the twist, and I repeat the process. Also, I just wanted to say that when you're removing your twist, be very gentle, because if your hair has been up, in the twist for like a month and a half, it's like not as strong as it would if you deep conditioned every week or every 2 weeks. So be very gentle when you're removing your twist and manipulating your hair. I forgot to add that once I take all the Marley twist out from each section, I twisted all my hair into one big twist. The side that's done already, I think I had, how many twists did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4? I had 4 twists, and I just bantu knotted them out the way. Alrighty guys, that is how I remove all of my Marley twists with little to no breakage. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.